at TREC Roofing and Remodeling here in Randallstown today doing an inspection for a house that we believe has wind and storm damage. Right here we have a couple missing shingles. It is an older roof, so we do have a lot of thermal cracking. A lot of the granules are missing out of this roof, but there still is some damage to be found. Not only do we have missing shingles, but over here on the back side we also have some more stress fractures here, more here. Pretty much all over this roof we do have some of those stress fractures, which is the precursor to missing shingles. We can tell we have some damaged plywood because the roof is dipping in a little bit right here. We also have some what we call in the field nail pops. Basically, when a nail underneath is popping up, it forces these shingles to bubble up. Insurance companies do not call that wind and storm damage, so this is considered wear and tear. This home is actually very unique because it is a duplex home. So this side is owned by one homeowner, this side is owned by another, two completely different insurance companies. Right now we're helping this side, but as we're up here we can also see that they have plenty of wind and storm damage. So we're going to go ahead and ask them to go ahead and do an inspection, and maybe we can help them out and they can go together. We're just about wrapped up now. You can see that we have plenty of wind and storm damage on this roof. We're going to go ahead and tell the homeowner to go ahead and contact his insurance company, and we'll fight on his behalf and try to get him a new roof for as little as a deductible.